Intelligent video. It's a big advantage for hybrid meetings and makes a big difference for remote participants. Crestron Flex video conferencing with intelligent video technology gives everyone an equal seat at the table, whether they're on-site or remote. Individual framing responds to speech. Custom lenses and image sensors clearly capture faces, expressions, and gestures, even as speakers move around the room. Now, remote participants can collaborate more fully with whiteboard streaming and the ability to see the whole room and individual participants simultaneously. With intelligent video, everyone is in the meeting, not just on a call. Crestron Flex video conferencing, a consistently excellent experience in every space for every participant. Meet with success.